Without question, Warren Buffett is one of the biggest and baddest traders in the world. But if you've ever wondered what has made him so successful, then I'm about to reveal to you his key golden tips for trading and investing, so stick with us. Welcome back to Think Smart Education. I'm Jonathan Jobe, and in this video, we're going to share with you the 5 golden nuggets of trading tips and ideas from the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. If you want to become a successful trader or investor, then you're going to definitely want to pay attention to these tips and not only just listen to them, because nothing happens until you implement. You want to implement these tips. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on those notifications. It really helps us to be able to reach more people with education and inspiration on how to become financially free. All right, so let's get into it. Tip number 1, invest what you understand. Buffett knows that he will not go getting into tech stocks. He will not go getting into cryptocurrencies or anything else because he doesn't fully understand it. He will only invest what he understands. During this cryptocurrency craze that has swept the market, I've seen so many people come in and get absolutely wiped out because they're investing in something they don't understand. Make sure you understand what you're doing with, become familiar with what you're beginning to trade or invest in. Buffett has famously invested in companies that he understands well. He's done this with Coca-Cola, American Express, Geico. He avoids investing in companies that he just doesn't understand. As I said earlier, like technology companies, he sticks to what he knows. Now, tip number 2, be patient. Buffett is famous for his long-term approach to investing. So many people I speak to in trading and investing, they overestimate what they can do in 12 months, but underestimate what they can do in 5 years. In fact, most people don't know this, but Buffett, over all of the years he's been investing, it's come down to 12 different investments that have really made him all of his own money. So stop trying to look for that one thing and try to, do that one trade and it's going to explode everything. Be in there for the long term. Hold on. Make sure that you've got a solid trading plan. One example of the Oracle of Omaha doing this himself is he held shares for Coca-Cola for over 30 years and Berkshire Hathaway for over 50 years. Tip number 3, control your emotions. Buffett has said that the most important quality for an investor is his temperament, not intellect. The same is true for traders, and you can convert that to investors as well. Emotional control is essential for success in trading or investing. Learning to control your emotions and stay calm under pressure, not to get anxiety or FOMO and be rushing in and rushing out of the market and just abandoning your trading plan, is not the way to do it. See, during the financial crisis of 2008, Buffett remained calm and continued to invest in companies that he believed in, such as Goldman Sachs and General Electric. He advised other investors to stay calm and not to panic. See, the thing with successful traders and investors is while everyone else is panicking, while the masses think it's Armageddon, the end of the world, the market's going down, they look for opportunity. While everyone is scared, they look for opportunity. And the only way that you can do that, the only way that you can look for opportunity during turmoil is having control of your emotions and understanding your emotions, getting them under control. Golden tip number 4, focus on value. It's no secret Buffett has always been a value investor. He even wrote a book on investing using value rather than just on current price movements. He is always looking for the most undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. And let's just say you're a trader, not an investor. This principle can still be applied to you. Look for opportunities where the market is undervalued. Focus on fundamentals rather than just these short-term price movements. Buffett has always been a value investor, looking for undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. And one famous example of this is his investment in American Express back in the 1960s. At the time, this company was facing a scandal. Its stock price had just gone in the toilet, and Buffett saw the value. He saw the company's brand and he saw their management. He could see past all of this noise going on outside and could actually look and find the value. He invested heavily. His investment paid off handsomely, and this company has recovered and grown to all new heights. The last golden tip, tip number 5, be disciplined. I know it's a dirty word, but Buffett is known for his discipline when it comes to investing, and the same is true whether you're a successful trader or a successful investor. You need to develop a trading plan, develop a routine, and stick to it. You need to be disciplined enough to stick to that routine. Forget about those emotions. Don't let those emotions of the short-term market fluctuations, crazy news happen to you. Have your trading plan, have your journal, have your strategy, and be disciplined enough to stick to it. Also, knowing when to trade and when not to trade. If you're highly emotional, if you've just had a massive fight, and you've had the door slammed in your face, the dog's chewed up the couch, maybe now's not the time to trade. Understanding your emotions, keeping them in control, and being disciplined enough to know when to trade and when not to trade is absolutely crucial. See, Buffett has always been disciplined in his approach to investing. He sticks to his long-term strategy, even when there's downturns in the market, even when crazy news has come out. See, I've had many different students come out and I've told them you need to understand what you're investing in. You need to know what it is. You need to understand the mechanisms that make it valuable, because if you do, when crazy news comes out, when the market is in turmoil, you can look clearly and say to yourself, does this still have value? Is this still doing what we want it to do? Is it just the crazy news and the market turmoil that this is getting wrapped up in? So there you have it. 5 golden trading tips from Warren Buffett himself. By applying these principles, you're going to drastically improve your trading and investing strategy. You can then begin to move from that beginner retail investor into a lifelong investor and trader. You can become an expert if you just begin to put these tips into practice. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, share it with your friends, people in your trading community, and as always, stay tuned for more valuable content from Think Smart Education. I'm Jonathan Jobe. I'll see you on the next video.